All right guys, so I just wanted to do one quick little recap on this car. We had it featured on the channel just a couple of weeks ago, but for those that didn't see it, this 992 Turbo S belongs to a good buddy of mine named Eric and Tanya. They're from Sarasota, Florida, which is about 3 hours north of us here in Miami. They actually had the car transported down so that we can do the twin turbo upgrade kit. So we did the twin turbo upgrade kit with pure turbo. We actually have to pull the turbos out and send them to California so they can upgrade the existing factory turbos. And then we added a CSF intercooler, which is really, really nice. Hopefully Marvin has some B-roll of that because the intercooler is freaking perfect design, plug and play fitment. It's basically a work of art, really. So really happy about that. And then we did a tune to recalibrate it with the upgraded turbos. Now, this car already came to us with the full IPE exhaust and the HRE wheels. The reason that is because I had the IPE exhaust drop shipped to Sarasota. I had the wheels and tires mounted and balanced drop shipped to Sarasota. And then the car came down for the more major upgrades that I just mentioned. So we had to pull out the ECU. We also were going to send that out to M Engineering in California. However, Mitch, the owner of M Engineering, actually has a software now where he can send us the tool and we can do everything here. So the ECU can actually stay on the car now for the new tunes, and that's, you know, just a natural progression of when new cars come out. At first you got to pull out the actual ECU from it, but now we can do everything while the car's on the lift, basically. So just to recap on the wheels, we've got HRE S107SCs. I hear a really nice car coming. It's of course, it's Ben in his pista. He's a little late by about 20 minutes, so who cares? We're out here working. But going back to the wheels, HRE S107SCs, the center face is frozen polished gold and the outer lip is polished gold. It is a two-piece wheel. The center face is forged, the barrel is forged. That's that FMR technology that I've mentioned on this channel a couple of times. FMR is HRE's proprietary technology, which is forged monoblock rims. That means that the barrel is actually forged just like the center face, which makes it stronger and lighter. Very, very cool setup that they have. I absolutely love this car. I was able to take it this weekend. Eric and Tanya actually came down from Sarasota. They drove the car for the weekend and then they dropped it off at my house downtown yesterday it was. And so I had the chance to drive this bad boy over here to the shop this morning. I get all the looks. I get everything. I get the thumbs up. I get people trying me. But the thing is, when you're in this car, you know that you're gonna beat mostly everybody, short of, you know, hypercars. So you don't really want to race, you know, these other guys that are trying you and things like that. You want to respect the car, of course. So big thank you to Eric and Tanya. The car came out absolutely spectacular. The IP exhaust also worth a mention. It is the headers, the X pipe, fully, well, we can't say catless. This is a high flow cats on this car, right? Yep. So absolutely stunning. This is probably one of my favorite cars. You know, the car's been out for about a year now. We got our convertible turbo back in November, October of last year. And so here we are in the end of September, but now we're starting to get in the groove of things. If you go to our website, www.wheelsboutique.com, you can actually sort out our photo gallery by customer cars. So you could put in Porsche as a vehicle make and you could put 992 generation as the car. And you're gonna see about a dozen of these pop up already. You know, I'm very blessed to be working here at Wheels Boutique and we get some of the coolest cars to work on. So big shout out to everybody that's involved. If I haven't mentioned you yet, I'm very, very sorry. So M Engineering, HRE, H&R for the springs, IPE, the whole nine. So thank you guys for watching this little episode and this little tidbit of this car. Let us know, comment, subscribe, like. I'm gonna start getting that into the lingo. Comment, subscribe, like, and let us know what you think. Give us a call if you need anything for your turbos. Ben, do we have more shirts that are not here?
Yeah.
Where?
Sure.
Okay. Small V-neck. Let's go with this one here. And then one more. a women's V-neck with the, yeah, for me, the pink and blue WB. If we use that new Drake and Future song, Too Sexy, on YouTube, it'll pop
Yeah.
up. Let me go back upstairs, listen to it, pull up the lyrics so I can learn them, and then sing it out here.